Welcome! I'm Rony. Today, we're going to talk about something that makes English learning truly rewarding, making friends and having real conversations. You can study grammar, you can memorize vocabulary, but nothing beats the feeling of connecting with someone in English. Small talk is the first step. It's how we start conversations with strangers, colleagues, or potential friends. I'll speak clearly with an American accent at a natural pace so you can follow along. Listen carefully, then repeat after me. Let's begin. What is small talk? Small talk means light, casual conversation about everyday topics. We use small talk to break the ice with someone new. We use small talk to be polite in social situations. We use small talk to find common ground with others. And sometimes, small talk leads to real friendships. Common small talk topics. The best topics for small talk are safe and neutral. Weather is number one. Everyone experiences it. Nice weather we're having today. Can you believe all this rain? Beautiful day, isn't it? Work or school is also common. What do you do for a living? Where do you work? What are you studying? Weekend plans are perfect for Friday conversations. Any plans for the weekend? Doing anything fun this weekend? I'm thinking of checking out that new restaurant. Starting a conversation. In America, it's common to start conversations with strangers in certain situations. At a coffee shop. That coffee smells amazing. Is it any good? I've never tried that flavor. Would you recommend it? At a party or gathering. So how do you know the host? Great party, isn't it? I don't know anyone here. Mind if I join you? In an elevator or waiting room. Busy day, huh? Long line today. Finally made it to Friday. Introducing yourself. After a little small talk, you can introduce yourself. By the way, I'm Rony. Nice to meet you. By the way, I'm Rony. Nice to meet you. I don't think we've met. I'm Rony. I don't think we've met. I'm Rony. And you are? And you are? Then the other person will introduce themselves. Asking questions. Good small talk is all about asking questions. Open questions are best, questions that need more than yes or no. What do you think about? How do you feel about? What brings you here today? How do you know Sarah? Follow-up questions show you're listening. Oh, really? Tell me more. That's interesting. How long have you been doing that? No way! Me too! Where did you learn? Sharing about yourself. Don't just ask questions. Share things about yourself too. I'm actually new to the area. I'm actually new to the area. This is my first time at this coffee shop. This is my first time at this coffee shop. I've been learning English for about 2 years. I've been learning English for about 2 years. I work as a teacher. I teach English, actually. I work as a teacher. I teach English, actually. Sharing creates connection. It makes conversation a two-way street. Common responses. When someone shares something, you can respond with, "That's awesome. That's awesome. No kidding, me too. No kidding, me too. I know what you mean. I know what you mean. Tell me more about that. Tell me more about that. Wow, that's really interesting. Wow, that's really interesting." Topics to avoid. In American culture, some topics are not good for small talk. Avoid politics. It can lead to arguments. Avoid religion. It's very personal. Avoid money. Asking how much someone earns is rude. Avoid personal health issues. Too much information too soon. Avoid negative complaining. Nobody likes a downer. Stick to safe topics. Weather, hobbies, food, travel, movies, music. Practice conversation 1. At a coffee shop. Let's practice a real conversation. Wow, that coffee smells amazing. It's really good. I get it every time. I've never tried it. Maybe I should. You totally should. By the way, I'm Jessica. I'm Ronnie. Nice to meet you. So, do you come here often? First time, actually. I just moved to the neighborhood. Oh, really? Welcome. Where did you move from? See how the conversation flows naturally? Practice conversation 2. At a party. Another situation. Great party, huh? Yeah, Sarah always throws the best parties. So, how do you know Sarah? We went to college together. You? We worked together. I'm Ronnie, by the way. I'm Mike. Nice to meet you. So, what do you do, Mike? I'm in software development. How about you? How to end a conversation. Ending a conversation is also important. Well, it was great talking to you. Well, it was great talking to you. I should get going, but nice meeting you. I should get going, but nice meeting you. Let's do this again sometime. Let's do this again sometime. Here, let me give you my number. Here, let me give you my number. Are you on Instagram? Let's connect. Are you on Instagram? Let's connect. Well, it was really nice talking to you. You too. I enjoyed our conversation. Maybe we can grab coffee sometime. I'd like that. Here, let me give you my number. Awesome. I'll text you. Sounds good. Take care. You too. Bye. Practicing conversations takes time. Remember, friendships don't happen overnight. The first conversation might just be small talk. The second conversation, you remember each other's names. The third conversation, you ask more personal questions. And slowly, a friendship develops. Be patient, be yourself, and keep practicing. Closing. Today, you learned how to make small talk and start conversations in American English. You learned common topics, good questions, and how to respond naturally. You practiced real conversations at coffee shops, parties, and work. Now it's your turn. Next time you have a chance, start a conversation with someone. It might feel scary at first, but the more you practice, the easier it gets. And who knows, your next small talk could lead to a great friendship. This was Learning with Ronnie. I'm Ronnie, your American English learning partner. Take care and see you in the next episode. Goodbye.